In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export site from Emergent AI. By the end, you'll have a clean download of your site's code on your computer, ready to use anywhere you need. Start on the Emergent AI Home dashboard. This is the central place where projects live, and it's also where new sites can be created if you're starting from scratch. For our purpose today, we're focusing on getting an existing site out of Emergent and onto your machine. On the home view, scroll down until you see the recent tasks section. This area lists your latest generated projects and activities. Find the entry for the site you want to export and open it. That takes you into the workspace associated with that site. At the top of the interface, switch over to the code view. This is where Emergent provides access to the generated files and a quick way to open them in a browser-based editor. Here you'll see a link for your environment along with an access password. Go ahead and copy the link, then copy the password as well. Treat both as private credentials and avoid sharing them. If you prefer to skip copying and pasting, you can instead select the Open in Browser option to jump directly into the editor. If you use the link, you'll paste the password when prompted. Once the web editor loads, look to the File Explorer on the left. Locate the folder labeled Front End. This is your site's client-side code, the pages, components, and assets that run in the browser. Right-click the front-end folder and choose Download. Emergent will package the folder and begin transferring it to your computer, typically as a compressed archive. Keep the tab open while it prepares the download. Larger projects can take a bit to bundle and transfer, and closing the page early can interrupt the process. If your project also includes a server component, you can repeat the same action on the backend folder to download that as well. Not every site has a backend, so if you don't see one, that's perfectly fine. When the download's complete, you'll have local copies of your site's code. From there, you can open them in your preferred editor, version control them in your own repository, or hand them off to a teammate. If anything seems stuck while loading or downloading, a quick refresh of the editor usually helps, and a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. That's all there is to it. Exporting your site from Emergent AI is straightforward once you know where to look.